Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to fix signal phone not appear on Realme C67 device. If there is a problem with your SIM card, such as it being damaged or not properly inserted, it can affect the signal reception and cause the signal bars to not appear. Try removing and reinserting the SIM card. And then, the other way, first you can turn off your phone. And then if this method doesn't work, you can open the settings menu on your device. Well, after that you can select this option, and then please select mobile network. Okay, and then you can make sure that the SIM card is active. Here, if it looks like this, and then you can activate it by tapping this button. Well, that's the tutorial on how to fix signal phone not appear on Realme C67 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.